Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so Always On behaves predictably. Make sure your iPhone 15 is updated to the latest iOS and low power mode is off, because that mode disables the feature. Next, go straight to Settings, choose Display and Brightness, and toggle Always On Display on. Do this now so the system can initialize adaptive refresh and dimming. Once done, lock the phone briefly to verify the screen shows the minimal clock and widgets. This proves the feature is active. Now customize how Always On looks and behaves so it's useful without wasting power. Tap Wallpaper to pick a lock screen image that supports dimming. Light backgrounds consume more energy. Then customize which widgets and notification previews remain visible, because fewer elements reduce refresh activity. Also set a focus schedule if you want Always On quieter overnight. Make sure attention-aware features and auto-lock settings are set to your preference. These control when the display fully wakes versus staying in low-power AOD mode. Finish by testing and fixing any issues so Always On stays reliable. Lock your phone and watch the minimal clock and widgets, then wake it to confirm normal behavior. If you don't see Always On, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches and recheck settings, right arrow display and brightness. If it still fails, reset display settings or install any pending iOS updates, because software fixes active display bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: disable low power mode and restart. Most AOD problems resolve after that simple step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.